In this original hard case leather bag made by Rollei in Germany, there is something very nice. You can get the camera with the bag or without it. They'll be in two separated listings, so it's up to you. And this is the great, very easy to use Bauer Star 4. Very compact camera, yet comes with an incredible lens. As you can see, super clean lens, perfectly working manual, focus, light meter works very correctly. The camera is very compact, very nice to use and perfect for a beginner. So, in order to get the camera working, you need to get the battery compartment out. You'll see there's some signs over here. Please always follow the instructions, the signs, otherwise the camera is not going to be working. Once the two AA batteries are in, you have to position it that those two are facing those two pins there. Put it in, slide it in. Once that's done, voila. Super smoothly working, very nice little gem. As you can see, incredibly clean lens. The camera is in outstanding condition. So, as you all know, we always test the cameras with expired cartridges. Expired cartridges are much harder to spin than regular new ones. So if the motor manages to spin this expired cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. As you can see, we mark the cartridge, open the lid, insert the cartridge in, close the lid, shoot for several seconds. As you can hear, very smoothly working. And let's see what the result is. No mark there anymore and straight film. No mark there anymore means that the motor manages to spin even this very hard spinning expired cartridge, and straight film means that the motor and the film gate work simultaneously together, which is extremely important for the footage. Whoever gets the camera will be super lucky with it, as it's super compact with an incredible lens, very well working light meter, super compact and very easy to use. Thank you for your time, and let's keep Super 8 alive!